So this was the screen. Yesterday we have learned about few basics, the GUI, line command, assignments on it, the properties. Okay, so these things we have learned. So today we will move further. Okay, so now you can see on the screen the grids are visible. Okay, so you can off it. As yesterday only I've said, it is just for visualization purpose. Okay, so it's your totally choice whether you want to keep grid or not. Okay, now, yesterday we learned the initial settings. Do you remember? Okay, can anybody say me what are the initial settings? As this is an interactive session. Okay, so let me know what are the initial settings. Am I audible?
Audible.
Okay, okay. So let's see. What are the initial settings? First was the UCS icon. Okay. Then what we have done after pressing the UCS icon, as this user coordinate system, I don't want over here as origin. See, as I'm moving my cursor, the UCS coordinate is also moving it. So it should be at what origin. I don't want at origin. So what I'll do, I'll press and enter. Okay. After that, next thing what we have to do, second step is what? Can anybody? See guys, you have to be interactive. If you're not getting it, you can ask me. So next step is what? To set the units. Okay, because we give the dimensions, so the units are very important. So what we have done over here, the precision, that is 0, and from here that is millimeters, because to sketch the assignments it becomes very easy in millimeters. Okay, so this was the second step. Now the third step was we have to define the limits. Okay, so LIMITS, limits. Okay, now what you have to do, what the AutoCAD is asking you, to specify the lower left corner. Okay, so which is 0 0. So you have to just press enter. Next thing is what we have to define the paper size as 420 comma 297. Okay, enter. Why I have given this? Because I have set to A3 paper size. So it is again the choice of the users, whichever you want. Okay, now so these were the three steps. First of all, what? UCS icon. After that you have set the units, and then you have set the limits. Okay, so we have defined. Now what the next is, we need to do the drafting settings, because we need to be ready to prepare the drawings. Okay, before that what you have to do, you have to make your ortho mode on, which is F8. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll press F8. So ortho mode is on, because what does the ortho mode do? I want the straight horizontal and vertical lines. Okay, now next thing is what I have to do, DS, that is drafting settings. Okay, now, what you have to do here in drafting settings, that is object snap modes are there. Okay, endpoints, midpoint, center. Yesterday we have learned about it. So it gives you the flexibility in the drawings. Okay, whenever you keep on the object snap modes. Okay, after that polar tracking is there. So as of now, it's not in a requirement. Then snap and grid. So even the snap is not in a requirement, because it is used to restrict the cursor. Okay, and the grid is just for visualization purpose. Okay, so here the object snap in this F3 is on, and the object snap tracking is also on. Okay, so everything is all, and make sure ki select all. Otherwise sometimes the midpoint is unchecked. So what happens, and you go to drawings or make the drawings, and whenever you want the midpoint, so it's not visible. So at that time what you have to do, you have to select all. Okay, so now the prerequisites are done. Okay, so now we are ready for the further task. Now the further task or today's agenda is what we are going to learn today: the rectangle command, the circle command, arc command, and the types of circle command and the assignments on it. Okay, now let's see we'll move to rectangle command. Okay, so see, from here, the rectangle, you can create it. It creates a rectangular polyline. Why it is said a rectangular polyline? Because the rectangle consists of many lines. Whenever there are many lines, we called it as a polyline. Okay, now what I'll do, either I can select from here, or what I can do, I can from a keyboard. Okay, so REC rectangle, enter. Okay, now whenever you enter it, whenever you enter it, okay, what he is asking you, specify the first corner point. Okay, so I'll give the first corner point. After that, it is asking for specify other corner point. Okay, so I'll just click for other corner point. See what I got, a rectangle. Okay, but this rectangle is not as per the dimensions. Okay, it is just a rectangle. As we have discussed earlier, we the engineers, we never do the vague drawings. We need the dimensions, we give the dimensions, because without the dimensions we cannot proceed further. Okay, so what I'll do now, I'll make the rectangle with the help of dimensions. REC rectangle. Yesterday we have learned some of the smart commands as well. To repeat the previous command, press the space bar. Okay, so specify the first corner point. Okay, now next step is what? Now I want, with the help of dimensions, so my input would be dimensions. That is, just press initial D. Okay, now it will ask you specify the length for rectangle. Suppose if I say 100, enter. Specify the width for rectangle. Suppose if I say 150. Okay, see, I got this rectangle. Okay, see, what is the issue? It is getting on the whole screen. So what I'll do, first of all, I'll click over here and I'll make Z enter, A enter. Okay, okay, so this is my rectangle as per the dimensions. The length is 100 and the width is 150. Okay, is it clear? So this is the rectangle. Now this rectangle I can make with the help of chamfer as well, and with the help of fillet as well. So chamfer within the rectangle command and fillet as well. Let's see how. Okay, see, REC rectangle. Now, initially you have to give here the input because you want chamfered rectangle. So what I will give the input as CHA. Okay, CHA I'll give you. Specify the first chamfer distance. Suppose if I give as 10, second also 10, enter. Now specify the first corner point C. Okay, so this was because you have given the initial input as chamfer, so you got the rectangle in such a manner. Now what I'll do, with the help of dimensions I want to make, so D for dimensions, enter, and specify the length 100 suppose, and the width is 50, enter. See, and then see what happens. This is, see, it's not positioning. So wherever you click, suppose on the above, then that position would be locked. See, like this. So in this way, what you can do, you can make a chamfered rectangle. Is it clear? Okay, see, I'll repeat it again. Once let me show the filleted rectangle, then again I will revise it how to do. Okay, see what I'll do again, to repeat the same command what we have learned, space bar. Okay, now what you have to do, initially you have to give the input, that is fillet. So FI fillet, okay, fillet radius is 10. Okay, then specify the first corner point. See, in this way you got it. Okay, now what you will do over here, just next the same process. D for dimensions you give it, so 100 is, that is for length, and suppose width also if I give 100. See, in this way you got a filleted rectangle. Okay, so first case what we learned, normal regular rectangle. In second case we learned chamfered rectangle, and in third case we learned filleted rectangle. Okay, now what we have to do, next step is, suppose I want a regular rectangle. See, spacebar to repeat the same command. I'll go specify the first corner. See, I'm not giving any initial input as of now. But still, what is happening? I'm getting a filleted rectangle. How it's possible? Can anybody suggest me what can be? Any logic? Can you, in a chat, you can type it. Okay, what it could be? Can anybody say me the logic? I want a regular rectangle, but still it is coming a filleted rectangle. Any logic from anybody, guys? See, okay. What I can do over here is REC rectangle. The initial input जो आपने दिया है FI for fillet, I will make it 0. Enter. And then if you give the specify the first corner point, so in this way you got a regular rectangle. Is it clear? So in this way, this is the rectangle command. See what we have learned, REC rectangle, specify the first corner point. Yes, you have specified it. Next step is D for dimensions. Okay. D for dimensions करने के बाद specify the length for rectangle, that is 100, enter, width 100, enter. You got like this. So this is what a regular rectangle. Z enter, A enter. Okay, so this is regular rectangle. Now, suppose if I want chamfered rectangle, can anybody suggest me what should I do? Yes, I use a space bar to repeat the command. Okay, Onkar. Okay, can anybody say me how to go for chamfered rectangle in a chat box? Can anybody? Or with the help of a voice as well? Yes, guys. If you will interact, then only I'll understand ki you're getting or not. See, there are two options. Either you're getting it 100% or second is you're not getting it. So let me know option 1 or 2. Yes, yes, you can type in chat. Yes, no. Use a space bar key and use chamfer command. Okay, yes, very, very good. Yes, exactly, yes. Okay, so what I'll do over here, use a space bar, that is for repeat command he has said, but already we have used the zoom, Z enter, A enter, that is zoom in, zoom out. So I'll go for REC rectangle. Okay, then I'll go for CHA chamfer. Okay, then specify the first chamfer distance, that is 10, enter. Second, suppose 15 if I want to give, and then specify the first corner. Okay, you are getting it. Okay, very good. Now suppose if I want a regular rectangle, what can I do? Suppose now I've made a chamfered rectangle, guys. Now if I want a regular rectangle, what should I to do? Can anybody answer me? Yes, in a chat box. Yes, come on, come on. What I have to do? Okay, so what I have to do? Yes, Saili has answered. Very good. She told ki you have to make the chamfer distance as 0 to get the regular rectangle. Very good. Okay, so what I'll do again, spacebar to repeat the same command. I'll make CHA chamfer. Okay, then I'll make the first chamfer distance as 0, second as again 0, enter. Okay, and then specify the first corner point. Okay, so in this way I got a regular rectangle. Now I have made randomly. Okay, so this is what a rectangle command. Okay, now next step is what we are going to learn about the circle. Is it clear? Everybody got the rectangle command? Yes, very good. Even the Kiran has answered it. Yes, everybody got the rectangle command. Is anybody is having doubt or should I repeat? Let me know in a chat box. If you got, if it is cleared, press yes. If not cleared, press no. Otherwise, I'll move to second command, that is circle. Okay, so I think so everybody got. Okay. Okay, now we'll go for circle. There are various types in circle command. Okay, so if you look over here, so there are types. Okay, so first is what? Center radius. इसका मतलब क्या है? Creates a circle using a center point and a radius. Okay, so what I have to do, specify a center point. Okay, and then you can give a radius, whatever the radius would be. Suppose I give the radius as 45. So in this way you are getting the circle. Okay, see, so this was with the help of what? From here you can go with the help of keyboard as well. So initially only we have discussed ki AutoCAD is shortcut based software as well. So C, if you press C for circle, okay, then specify the center point. Okay, then R for radius, already by default it is being selected. Just give suppose 100, you are getting it like this. Suppose if you want to give the diameter, then what you will do? Again, spacebar to repeat the same command. Specify the center point. Okay. Then D for diameter, and then you can give the diameter as 150. Okay, so in both the ways you can do it. Suppose if the requirement is of to give the radius, you can go with the radius. By default, it is there. If you want with the diameter requirement, you go with the diameter, because normally when you place the dimensions, it is in the form of diameters. Okay, as per the rules of the dimensions, as we learned during our engineering graphics. Okay. So these are the circle, first type. Okay. Then second type, suppose the center diameter, I told only just to see, specify the center, and directly you can give the diameter as well. Suppose if I give 250 as the diameter. So in this way also you can create the circles. Okay. So these are the, after that next type is what? 2 point. Okay. So 2 point is the meaning of 2 point is what? Two endpoints of the diameter. Okay, see like this. Suppose if you want, sometimes if you want to create in between these two, so you can create like this as well. So whatever the diameter in between the two circle distance, that would be the diameter. So in such a fashion you can create it. Okay, so that is 2 point. Okay, after that 3 point is nothing but using 3 points on the circumference. See like this. First, suppose second, and third, wherever you are going to click it like this. So in this way, this is using third point. Okay, so using 3 points on the circumference. Okay, now next step is we are going to learn the most important types. These two are more important, and this center, radius, and diameters are important. These 2 point and 3 points are very rarely they are being used, but you should know it. Okay, and the application where you are going, the applications of tangent, tangent, radius, tangent, 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 and these two, that is radius and diameters, are more. So more you are going to apply. Okay. Now let's see what is this. That is tangent, tangent, radius. Now by the name tangent, tangent, radius, what you come to know, it creates a circle with a specified radius but tangent to two objects. Okay. अभी मैं उसको simple करके बताती हूँ आपको. Don't worry it. Okay. Now what's the simple thing is, if you go for C for circle, okay, then TTR, that is tangent, tangent, radius. Okay, if you select specify the point first, if you select the second point here, okay, and if you specify the radius, suppose 208, then you get, see, with the help of this point and this point, you got the circle. Okay, is it clear? Okay, so this is tangent, tangent, radius. Okay, see, once again I'll repeat it. Control Z. C for circle. See, with the help of this also you can do it. C for circle, then TTR, that is tangent, tangent, radius. Okay, then specify point on object. Okay, suppose if you select the first point, second point over here, and then if you specify the radius, anything, suppose 150. So in this way I'm getting it. Okay, so this is what tangent, tangent, radius. Okay, is it clear? Okay, after that, next step is what? It is tangent, tangent, tangent. So creates a circle tangent to three objects. Okay, so if you select it, suppose if you give this first point, second point, and suppose third point. So considering these three tangents circle, it will create a circle. Okay, is it clear? Suppose if you want it more clearly, suppose if I make a circle like this, okay, and if I go for tangent, 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 so first, second, third. So in this way, you are getting a circle. Is it clear? So this is tangent, tangent. Using three circles endpoints, we are getting a circle, that is tangent, tangent. Okay. So in this way also we use it, but most frequently you're using this tangent, tangent, radius, because in assignment also I'll show you the application of it. Okay. Are you getting it? Anybody wants me to repeat this circle? Yes, in the chat box you can type it. So it's an interactive session. So let me know whatever you're getting any issues or difficulties so I can solve. Okay. Okay. Now next we'll move ahead. Okay. Suppose yesterday we have learned about the arc. Once again, I'll be repeating you. Okay. Suppose L for line. Okay. After that, next step is what we have to do. You have to go for arc over here. That is start and radius. Okay. So specify the start point, specify the end point. Okay, so in this way you can create it. Suppose 25 I give. So in this way you are getting it. Okay. Suppose if I want, this is from inside because I have defined my start point from here. Okay. Suppose if I define the start point from end, and let's see the difference of it. Okay. So again, start end radius. Suppose if I give this as the start point, this as the end point, then in this way. So see, you are getting like this. Suppose 20 if I give the radius. Okay, so in this way, this is the arc. Okay, is it clear? Are you getting it? The arc. Okay, and the types of circle. Okay. Okay, now next command we are going to learn, that is fillet. Now you will say we have already learned the filleted rectangle. See, separately, suppose if you want to give the fillets, then there is a command of fillet as well. For example, REC rectangle, if I make it like this, D for dimensions, length is 150 and width is 100. Okay. So in this way, I've made a rectangle. Okay. Now what I have to do, suppose my requirement is outside fillet I have to give. We have learned earlier what within the command, the fillet command was there. Okay. That is called as filleted rectangle. और अभी जब हम सीखेंगे that is external fillet, मतलब क्या, एक fillet करके command भी है. देखो अगर अपन यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं, if I take to you, that is modifications में आता है, that is fillet command. ओके, फिलेट का मतलब क्या है? राउंड्स एंड फिलेट्स द एजेस ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स. ओके, अभी फिलेट का मतलब तो समझ में आया. व्हाई वी गिव द फिलेट्स? कैन एनीबडी आंसर मी? सी, टेक्निकली आल्सो वी हैव टू बी गुड.
Sonam, your screen is not visible. Screen.
Okay, just a minute. Okay.
Can audience please tell madam if screen is not available?
Okay, yeah, yes. Yash has told me screen is not available. Okay, just a minute. Okay, now it's would be visible. Yeah, it's visible now. Visible? Yes. Okay. Yeah. Very good. Thank you.
No.
Yeah. Okay.
Just
okay. Yeah. So Kiran answered me ki if we want curve, then we use fillet. No. This is not the correct technical answer. So anybody can answer me why we use fillet. See, fillet. See what, why, and how I categorize in this manner. So what is fillet? You got it. The rounds and the edge fillets. It's okay. But how, that I'm going to teach you in tool. Okay. But Why? Okay, so Siley answered me, it gives sharp ends. No, no, you're close to answer. Okay, can anybody give me the perfect answer or more accurate?
If
No,
we
no.
use the circle command,
Huh?
hello,
Yes, yes,
then
yes.
we need to trim the external portion or extra portion from the after using this. Or in fillet, we can directly give the 2 points. Otherwise, there is no need to trim the.
Okay. So this is actually from a software point of view. We do the modifications, but I want technically. You all have learnt about it, and fillets why we use. Yes. Siley answered. Stress concentration can be lowered by using fillet. Yes, very good. To reduce the stress concentration, uh, we use the fillet. Okay.
Screen not
Okay.
visible. Sonam, screen not
Yes.
visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now it's visible.
Yes.
Yes, visible. No. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, so Siley answered correct. So why we use fillets? The answer is what? The stress concentration, to reduce the stress concentration. So you can have a note of it. To reduce the stress concentration, we give the fillets. Okay. Yeah, screen is not visible because I've been over here. Now it would be visible. Now it's visible. Is it visible now?
Yes.
Yes, yeah, because I was over the chat, so it's not visible. Whenever I am on the screen of AutoCAD, it would be visible for you. Okay, now, yeah, so the answer was correct of fillet. Now, see, now how to use the fillet command, okay, in software. Let's see. See, Fi for fillet, okay, enter. Then he is asking you for select first object. Suppose मैंने as per जैसे उसने क्वेश्चन पूछा उसके हिसाब से अगर आंसर किया तो लाइक दिस अगर मैंने सिलेक्ट किया तो कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, ठीक है, क्योंकि आपने उसको इनपुट ही नहीं दिया ना। आप फिलेट ले रहे हैं तो फिलेट का मतलब क्या, राउंड एजेस बनाता है। राउंड एजेस के लिए क्या लगता है, तो रेडियस लगता है, ठीक है। सो एफ आई फॉर फिलेट, ओके, एंटर। देन r, that is radius, that is the first input. Specify the fillet radius. For example, I'll give you as the 15 as the fillet radius. Okay, then select the first object, select the second object. Okay, so in this way we are going for fillet. Is it cleared? Now my second requirement is, suppose if I want multiple fillet, see, every time I will give fillet command, I will give here third, fourth, the 4 times I'm going to use fillet. Itna long cut क्यों करना ना, because we are using the software for what, for smart purpose. Okay, so what I'll do over here, Fi for fillet, initially, sorry, filters, just press F, okay, for fillet. Okay, what you have to do, you have to go for multiple, that is mul. Okay, so multiple, enter. And then you can go for radius, or for radius, and then you can specify the fillet. Okay, suppose 20, enter. Now if you select the first object, so in this way you are getting it. If you select like this, you are getting it like this. See, so multiple times you can do it. So this is the advantage. Is it clear? See, once again I'll repeat it. What we have to do, suppose if I make a rectangle, Fi for fillet, sorry, F for fillet. Okay, I want for multiple times, I will give the initially input as mul multiple. Okay, then I'll give the second input as radius, because you need to define the radius. Okay, specify the fillet radius, that is 20. Then you select the first object, second object. Okay, okay, so in this way what I have got, I got the filleted rectangle. See, within the rectangle command also you can use the fillet, externally also you can use it. Why I have explained you as of now the fillet command, because one of the assignment I'm going to explain, and in that assignment we have to apply the fillet command, so I've explained you. Okay, now is it cleared? Any doubt in fillet command? If any doubt you can ask me. Okay, Okay, no doubt. Okay, so you got it. Okay, now what we have learned, we have learned about the rectangle command, the circle and its type. आर्क में हमने एक ही देखा है फिलहाल के लिए, लेटर ऑन के सेशंस में मैंने वो रखा है टाइप्स ऑफ आर्क, क्योंकि अब आज के सेशन के लिए आपको एक ही टाइप की जरूरत है इसके लिए सी. Okay, so see the sessions कैसे divided the agendas depending upon the assignments and the usage, and it's how you grow into it. So don't worry about it. The types of arcs also will be explained in the next session. Okay, now what we'll do now, I'll show you one of the assignment. Okay, suppose this is the assignment. Is my screen visible to all? First we are going to apply on chamfered rectangle. Okay, okay, is visible? You can type in the chat box, yes, the assignment is visible. Yes, okay. Okay, so see what I'll do now. If you look at this, I can make it more simple. We can see that there can be a different methodology also. कोई कैसे कर सकता है, लाइन बना के फिर ऐसे नीचे जा सकता है, ऐसे कुछ कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. But what we can do it, we can use chamfered rectangle. Simple. REC rectangle. Okay, then CHA chamfer unit you can give it. Okay, first specify the chamfer. Kitna hai chamfer distance, that is 10. Okay, so you can go for chamfer distance as 10, enter. Second also 10, enter. Okay, then specify the first corner point. Okay, you are specifying it the first corner point. Next step is what? D for dimensions. Dimensions में specify the length, that is 40, enter. और width कितना है 55, enter. So in this way I got, see how simple we have done it. Okay, now next step is what? You have to go like this down. Okay, so yesterday whatever we have learned, that we are going to apply over here. So L for line. Okay, so in this way if I go down over here, okay, how much? 10 mm, enter. In this way suppose 5 mm, enter, and 15 mm, enter. So in this way you got this. Is it clear? So in this way we have done. See now what we have done over here, we have just to use the chamfer command I have shown you. Okay, now you will say what about the further thing, how to do it? So here we need to do the trim. Okay, here also we need to go for trim. So we'll come on the trim command, still I have not explained you, so later on we'll come to this. Okay, then I'll explain you about the trim. Okay, so just to apply the chamfered rectangle command I have used this assignment. Okay, that's all, just how to make it. Or how to recognize which command smartly we can use it. Okay, is it clear? Okay, but now we learned the this command tangent radius. Now we'll apply that, and we'll also apply this कि whenever you track the line distance, for example L for line, जब आप लेते हो फिर यहाँ पे ऐसे रखते हो और उसके ऊपर से आप distance डालते हो. Okay, 10, see without creation of line, तो वो उसका भी फिर से एक एप्लीकेशन एक असाइनमेंट में अपन देखेंगे. ओके, okay, this assignment we are going to see. Okay, okay, so this we are going to solve. Is it visible to everyone? If it's visible, type in the chat box yes or Y. Okay, yes, okay, thank you. Okay, now we'll move forward. Let's see how to solve this assignment. Okay. Okay. What we'll do, we'll start from the base. What it is, 96 plus 10 plus 10. How much it becomes? 116. 116 by 25. We'll make a rectangle of 116 by 25. Okay. So REC rectangle. Okay. Then specify the first corner point. But I'm getting a chamfered rectangle. So what guys you have to do? You have to make the chamfer distance as 0. REC rectangle. Okay, then chamfer, enter, make it 0, enter, 0, enter. Okay, specify the first corner point. Okay, and then D for dimensions, specify the length, that is 116, enter. By width is how much? 25, I think so. Escape. It's 25 only. So 116 by 25 का रेक्टेंगल मैंने बनाया. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या करेंगे? यहाँ से 10 mm डिस्टेंस है और यहाँ पे एक सर्कल बनाया है एट ए डिस्टेंस ऑफ 120 पे 100 डायमीटर का. ओके, तो कैसे सॉल्व करना है देखो. सी L फॉर लाइन में जाऊंगी और आई ट्रैक इट. देखो मैं ट्रैकिंग क्यों कर रही हूँ, क्योंकि उसी लाइन पे मेरे को डिस्टेंस चाहिए, लाइन नहीं क्रिएट करनी. नहीं तो क्या होता है, लाइन ओवरलैप होती है. चलो वो भी दिखाती हूँ, तो आप तब आपको डिफरेंस समझ में आ सकता है. L फॉर लाइन अगर मैंने लिया और क्लिक किया तो क्या होती है, लाइन बनती है 10 mm की. ये देखो ये ऐसे, और ऐसे अगर सिलेक्ट किया तो वो ये होता है. इसके लिए व्हाट यू कैन डू इट, यू कैन गो बाय ट्रैकिंग एज वेल. ठीक है, सो दैट कैन बी अ स्मार्ट वे टू. सो L फॉर लाइन, हाउ मच, दैट इज 10, एंटर. अभी ऊपर की डिस्टेंस कितना है अपने को दिया नहीं है, तो समटाइम्स वी कैन अज्यूम इट, नो इश्यूज. ठीक है, तो मैंने सपोज कुछ 40 लिया फॉर एग्जांपल. ओके, तो यहाँ पे भी कितना चाहिए मुझे, 40 का ही लेना पड़ेगा, है ना. ओके, तो व्हाट आई विल डू अगेन, L फॉर लाइन. ठीक है, यहाँ पे फिर से मैं ट्रैकिंग करूंगी, दैट इज 10 mm का डिस्टेंस. ओके, एंटर. ऊपर चलेंगे अपन, कितना है 40, एंटर. ओके, सो इन दिस वे वी हैव सॉल्व्ड इट. नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या करना है आपको, इस डिस्टेंस के ऊपर 120 के ऊपर एक सर्कल बनाना है. ऑलरेडी वी हैव लर्न द सर्कल. और देखो कौन सा सर्कल का एप्लीकेशन आया है यहाँ पे, डायमीटर का आया है ना, तो आपको डायमीटर का यूज करना है. ओके, सो सी फॉर सर्कल. ठीक है, यहाँ से मैं जाऊंगी 120 पे, एंटर. और कितना है डायमीटर, दैट इज 100. ओके, अभी क्या हो गया, वो रेडियस में प्लेस हो गया. ठीक है, तो व्हेनेवर यू यूज द सर्कल, चेक इट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. सो डेलिबरेटली आई हैव डन यू, ताकि आपको समझ में आए कि ऐसी गलतियां ना करें. सो जानबूझ के मैंने किया है ताकि आपको समझ में आए, और यू शुड नॉट रिपीट सच अ मिस्टेक. सो सी फॉर सर्कल. ओके, देन गो लाइक दिस 120, enter. Or how much is the radius? So radius was given as 100. So what you have to do, you have to switch to D, that is D for diameter, enter. How much it is, 100, enter. Okay, again what you have to, diameter 50. So again space bar to repeat the same command. Okay, and then you can go like this, D, enter, that is 50. Okay, now next step is what, you can make a fillet over here. Okay, so that's why I have explained you the fillet, so that it would be easy for you to understand. So F for fillet. Okay, then what you have to do, the second input is what guys, can anybody answer me, second step or the input, what is required for fillet? What is required? Okay, it's R, radius. Okay, how much radius you have to give, that is 45, enter. So select the first object and the second object. Okay, so in this way. Is it clear? Okay, now how to create this one, that is radius 150. Can anybody answer me? Guys, can any logic? How I will create such a arc? Yes, Kiran, Yash, they have answered very correctly. Omkar has also answered previous answer. Okay. So now the answer, can anybody answer me? Which type of I'm gonna use over here? This arc. Radius 150. Which type I will use it? Can anybody answer just a type? Yes, very good. Umair has answered me that is tangent radius. Yes, Omkar has also that is TTR. Very good. You guys are getting and they have been interactive as well. Okay, very good. Okay, so what I'll do, C for circle. Okay, then what I'll do, TTR. Exactly. Okay. Now what you have to, whenever you go for TTR usage, what you do, you check it key where the points, endpoints which I have to select it. That is approximately na here and then here. Okay. So what you will do over here, that is tangent radius. So specify the point. Suppose if I specify here, then second here, and the radius is how much? 150. So in this way I'm getting it. Okay. Now what I have to do over here, this extra part, how I'll review. If I select it, the whole circle is being selected. So here, the next command I will explain you, that is trim. Okay. So TR, enter just of all, and like this, in this way you can trim it out. Okay. In simple language क्या है trim का मतलब cut करने का, that's all. But requirement क्या है trim की, कि there should be entities intersected. देखो एंटिटीज इंटरसेक्टेड था, इसीलिए मैं ट्रिम कर पाई. मतलब ट्रिम का रिक्वायरमेंट है, हर जगह ट्रिम यूज होगा ऐसा भी नहीं है, हर जगह डिलीट यूज होगा ऐसा भी नहीं है. डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द रिक्वायरमेंट यू आर यूजिंग द कमांड्स. ओके, नाउ हियर द बोथ टू एंटिटीज आर सिलेक्ट, मल्टीपल एंटिटीज आर सिलेक्टेड, एटलीस्ट टू एंटिटीज आर सिलेक्टेड. जैसे कि आपका सीजर है, कैची रहती है, दो इंटरसेक्शंस लगते हैं ना कैची के लिए भी, कागज और कैची. नहीं तो कैची कैसे कट हो पाएगा ना, समझ में आ रहा है क्या? मतलब कागज और कैची का इंटरसेक्शन होगा तब एंड रिजल्ट क्या मिलेगा, कट करके अ पीस या टुकड़ा. वैसे ही सिमिलर यहाँ पे क्या होगा, वेन एवर यू आर गोइंग टू यूज द ट्रिम, द कंडीशन और रिक्वायरमेंट इज व्हाट, द एंटिटीज शुड बी इंटरसेक्टेड. तो मैंने एक नॉर्मल डे टू डे लाइफ का एग्जाम्पल उसके साथ सिंक अप किया, दैट इज सीजर. ठीक है, तो सीजर एक एंटिटी है और पेज दूसरा एंटिटी है, तो दोनों का इंटरसेक्शन होने के बाद वो कटिंग हो जाता है और एंड रिजल्ट एज अ टुकड़ा मिल जाता है. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू अप्लाई ट्रिम कमांड, TR, जस्ट दैट इज द शॉर्टकट. ओके, सो TR, एंटर कर दो, 2 बार एंटर सिलेक्ट किया तो आपको द रिजल्ट आपको मिल जाता है. ओके, समझ में आया? So you got the end result in such a way. So L for line, अभी यहाँ पे मैं lines बनाऊंगी. Okay, so in this way you got it. So in this way we have solved this assignment. Okay, अभी suppose ये assignment भी मेरे को solve करना है, तो in the similar way only we are going to solve. क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे, क्या यूज करेंगे, रेडियस 50 को. चलो let me know who can answer it. बाकी का आपको समझ में आ सकता है कि बेस मेरे को बनाना है 25/12 का, एट ए डिस्टेंस ऑफ 60 पे आप क्या करोगे, एक सर्कल लेना है आपको. ठीक है, दैट इज रेडियस 20 का. ठीक है, और उसके बाद आपको रेडियस 50 लेना है यहाँ पे. चलो, हु विल आंसर मी इन अ चैट बॉक्स, बी फास्ट. फिलेट यूज करेंगे और TTR. एनीबडी एल्स कैन आंसर मी? फिलेट इतना बड़ा बैठ सकता है? TTR. Okay, yes, Kiran has answered correctly. Arc you can go for, start and radius arc. Yes, very good. Okay, now what I'll do, base will make, that is rectangle 25/12. So R C rectangle. Okay, so D for dimensions, that is length is 25, enter by 12, enter. ठीक है, उसके बाद एट ए डिस्टेंस ऑफ 65 पे क्या करना है आपको, सर्कल बनाना है। सो सी फॉर सर्कल लेंगे, सेंटर से ही अपने को बनाना है एट ए डिस्टेंस ऑफ 65 पे, रेडियस है यहाँ पे 20, तो डायरेक्टली मैं रेडियस डाल सकती हूँ। ठीक है, देखो रेडियस 20 दिया है। ठीक है, सो नॉट नेसेसरी टू गो फॉर डायमेंशंस। ठीक है, तो देखो आपको जितनी प्रैक्टिस होगी उस हिसाब से आपको समझ में आएगा कि कौन सा कमांड कहाँ पे प्रॉपरली यूज करना है। जैसे अभी आपको काफी इन सेकेंड डे में आपको काफी ज्यादा नॉलेज हो गया कि आर्क्स कौन से यूज करने के, टीटीआर कहाँ पे यूज करना। वेरी गुड नॉलेज, आई अप्रिशिएट कि सर्कल में जो भी टाइप्स आपने सीखे तो तुरंत उसका एप्लीकेशन कहाँ पे, जैसे आंसर्स आप कर रहे हो इसका मतलब यू आर गेटिंग इट वेरी गुड। ओके, एंड वेरी गुड प्रोग्रेस आई वुड से। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज व्हाट, रेडियस विल टेक 50। ओके, अभी स्टार्ट एंड रेडियस करेंगे। सो व्हाट विल गो फॉर स्टार्ट एंड रेडियस। ओके, सो दिस वुड बी माई स्टार्ट पॉइंट और एंड पॉइंट विच वुड बी, सपोज मैंने यहां से लिया ये सेकेंड, ये लिया, ठीक है, ड्रैग किया, देखो कितना है वो 50 है, yes 50 है, I got it. Again what I will do here, go for space bar, again enter. ओके, कितना है 50 है। ओके, तो ये एक्स्ट्रा आ गया तो इसको क्या कर सकते हैं, ट्रिम कर सकते हैं, आप ऐसे ट्रिम कर सकते हैं। तो इन दिस वे यू गॉट। नाउ हियर आप बोल सकते हो कि मैम आपने डबल टाइम्स क्यों यूज किया, इफ अ स्मार्ट गाय वुड बी देयर देन, तो आप मिरर यूज कर सकते थे यहाँ पे। यस एग्जैक्टली, बट मैंने अभी आपको एक्सप्लेन नहीं किया है मिरर। तो विद दिस, सो वी विल बी अपडेटिंग इन अ कपल ऑफ टाइम्स में। ठीक है, सो यहाँ पे मिरर से भी आप कर सकते हो। ठीक है, सो ये जस्ट मेरे को आर्क एक्सप्लेन करना था, इसीलिए आई हैव यूज्ड दिस असाइनमेंट। ओके, सो मिरर जब करें सीखेंगे तब आपको इसमें एप्लीकेशन हो जाएगा मिरर का। ओके, so is it clear? Okay, why it is looking uneven? Yes, a very good question, Yash ka. Why it is looking, see, because what happens here, I'll show you. ये जो ये पकड़ा है ऊपर देखो एंड पॉइंट, वो सही से मैंने नहीं पकड़ा जानबूझ के। ठीक है, तो सपोज कभी कभी प्लस माइनस हो सकता है, तो यहाँ पे ज्यादा स्मार्ट कमांड यूज कर सकते हैं, दैट इज मिरर। सपोज मैं मिरर यूज किया, एम आई फॉर मिरर, सिलेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट किया, राइट क्लिक, स्पेसिफाई द, डोंट वरी आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू अबाउट द मिरर, जस्ट मुझे अनइवननेस जो आया है क्वेश्चन उसके बारे में आंसर करना है। ओके, एंटर। ओके, नाउ यू आर गेटिंग इवन। Yes, Yash and Amol, are you satisfied now? Yeah, because the endpoints, whatever we have selected over here, was not proper way. There was unevenness into it, so it becomes like that. Okay, so now you got the mirror, from mirror you are getting it, because whatever I have taken here, the similar replica you will get over here. Okay. Can we use TTR? Okay, yes, Yash ka question hai, can we use? Yes, we'll give a try for it. Let's go for TTR. You can use n number of ways, no issues. It's not hard and fast ki go with this only. Okay, let's try for TTR. Okay, so specify the first point. Okay, like this, second point. Okay, how much is the radius? 50. So you will get like this. आर यू गेटिंग द कंसेप्ट? टीटीआर कहाँ पे यूज हो सकता है, जहाँ पे टेंजेंट्स की जरूरत है वहां पे, यहाँ पे कुछ तो लाइन होनी चाहिए थी, या फिर सपोज मैं यहाँ पे देती हूँ, देखो फिर से टीटीआर, अगर मैंने यहाँ पे सिलेक्ट किया और फिर यहाँ पे सिलेक्ट किया और कितना देना है 50, एंटर, तो ये ऐसे आएगा। समझ में आया? तो टीटीआर के लिए क्या हो सकता है, मुझे सपोज यहाँ पे सिलेक्ट किया, यहाँ पे ये सिलेक्ट किया, तो ऐसे आएगा। समझ में आया? या फिर यहाँ पे सिलेक्ट करके, तो वो थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेशंस हो जाता है, हो सकता है नॉट ये, बट थोड़ा सा हो सकता है। ओके, यूजिंग आर्क, यस, ओके, नाउ यू गॉट इट कि एवरीवेयर टीटीआर वी कैन नॉट अप्लाई इट, लुकिंग एट द कंडीशंस और द रिक्वायरमेंट कि दो दो एंड पॉइंट्स कैसे हैं, एक लाइन और एक सर्कल है तो वहां पे वो इजीली बैठ सकता है, मतलब उसके लिए कुछ तो एक और एक ये चाहिए। ओके, ठीक है, now you got it. Okay, so using arc, how to do correctly, Kiran का question है using arc. So we have used arc only. Okay, मतलब फिर से repeat arc करना है क्या आपको? मतलब without using mirror command. Is it the same question? Okay, using arc only you have to do. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll go for arc, start and radius, and I'll see if from where the endpoint I have selected over here. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll select like this and specify the first point and then specify the second point. Okay, and then I'll drag it, so I'm getting it like this. So what the solution would be second, I can use this as the start point and this as the end point. Okay, so we'll go for start and radius, and this is the start point. Okay, I'll go here like this. Okay, okay, so in this way you are getting it like this. Suppose 50. So using R, just what you have to do, you have to see where it is being starting. Okay, so it takes more time if you use again the arc command. So instead of that, what you can do it, you can use the mirror command. Okay, so you can go for mirror command. So it is very inward and outward. Yes, exactly. That issue comes over here. Okay, so if you go for mirror, it becomes very a simple solution. So in arc, it becomes like that. Okay, so don't worry, we'll come to mirror command as well. Okay, are you clear now? The arc command and why I have used the mirror and not the TTR. You might be getting it. Okay. So inward outward, it depends upon the endpoints. If whatever your start point is from lower, then it will take inward. If start point is from the upper side, then it is outward. Okay, Domer, are you getting it? Okay, yes. Okay, so you have got good understanding of arcs, TTR. See, whenever you will solve it, looking at the assignments will come to know automatically. Okay. Now the next step is we are going to learn about a command that is called as offset. Okay. We are going to learn about offset. See, offset is for what? Parallel lines through a distance. Okay, so this offset comes into a modification. Okay, so we are switching to modification commands, this compartment. Okay, step by step. Now the offset command, see, this is offset, creates concentric circles, parallel lines and parallel curves. Okay, so you can offset a object at a specified distance. मतलब कोई parallel lines बनाना है आपको, कभी parallel curves बनाना है या फिर concentric circles बनाने हैं, तो उसके लिए आप क्या use कर सकते हो? आप offset use कर सकते हो. Okay. So what you have to do over here, see, suppose if I go for a rectangle command. Okay, suppose I make over here a rectangle. Okay, now the next step is what you have to go for offset command, that is O for offset. Okay, offset may specify the offset distance. Okay, offset distance, how much? Suppose if I'm giving it 15. Okay, enter. Select the object and enter. So in this way you are getting what you got, the result in the in front of your screen. You got the parallel or the concentric rectangles or parallel with a distance rectangle. Okay, so in this way you can select, you can give the outside as well. If you select and if you give 25, you can change the distance as well. Okay, so in this way, if you want 25, okay, you can change like this the distance as well. Okay, now next step is what? Now what I have, the whole rectangle is being offsetted. Okay, but I don't want, because during the civil plans, whenever you make like this and if you want only single line offsetted, then how? Suppose the second case, if I take, suppose REC rectangle. Okay, and see, if I select it, the whole rectangle becomes a single entity. Okay, now what I have to do, I will make all the single entity into मल्टीपल एंटिटीज. मतलब कैसे? अभी ये रेक्टेंगल एक सिंगल एंटिटी दिखाता है अगर सिलेक्शन होने के बाद, ये चार में कन्वर्ट करना, मतलब एक लाइन अलग से सिलेक्ट होनी चाहिए एक, तो उसके लिए क्या हो सकता है? दैट इज एक्सप्लोड. एक्सप्लोड यहाँ पे भी है, सी देखो, breaks a compound object into its component objects. ठीक है, explodes a compound object when you want to modify its components separately. ठीक है, so X for explode, enter, select the object, right click. ठीक है, now if you look at the rectangle, the rectangle is converted into single entity. Okay, in this way. Are you getting? Now suppose if I want a single lines offset, go for offset command, enter, then distance suppose 20, enter, select the object like this, in this way. Okay, so are you getting it? So this is the offset command. Okay, suppose space bar to repeat the same command. Suppose if I take 25, if you want outside like this also you are getting it. Okay, is it clear? Okay, now this is the offset command. Okay, now next thing is we are going to see for, that is trim. Okay, trim का मतलब क्या है इन सिंपल टर्म्स? टू कट, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है, एंटिटीज शुड बी इंटरसेक्टेड. ठीक है, उसके एंटिटीज इंटरसेक्टेड होने चाहिए. जैसे कि देखो अभी सपोज मेरे को ट्रिम कमांड यूज करना है, TR एंटर एंटर, ये देखो ये सिलेक्शन, ये देखो ये हो रहा है, ट्रिम हो रहा है, ये भी हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है क्या? नहीं. क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? कैन एनीबडी आंसर मी इन अ चैट बॉक्स? लास्ट की लाइन नहीं हो रही है. यस, आरती का कुछ डाउट है एक्सप्लोडिंग का, एक्सप्लोड कैसे करने का? डू यू वांट मी टू रिपीट? हाँ, इंटरसेक्ट नहीं है इसीलिए. किरण हैज आंसर्ड वेरी वेल, क्योंकि ट्रिम का रिक्वायरमेंट ही है कि देयर शुड बी एन इंटरसेक्शन. इंटरसेक्शन होगा तो ही वो ट्रिम होगा. ठीक है, नहीं तो नहीं होगा. ठीक है, ओके, या आरती का नहीं है डाउट. ओके, शी वाज आंसरिंग मी. ओके, एक्सप्लोर करना. ओके, वेरी गुड. ओके, नो इश्यूज. ठीक है, तो अभी फिर से देखेंगे यहाँ पे. ओके, तो जो जो इंटरसेक्शंस में है वो क्या हो गए आपके सब ट्रिम हो जाएंगे. देखो ऐसे ड्रैग करके भी अगर मल्टीपल चीजें आपको ट्रिम आउट करने की है तो ऐसे भी कर सकते हो आप. ओके, यहाँ पे भी देखो पूरा सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो और जो जो आपको नहीं चाहिए वो आप ले सकते हो. ये देखो, बिकॉज देर इज एन इंटरसेक्शन, जहां जहां पे इंटरसेक्शन रहेगा वहां पे वो ले लेगा. ओके, समझ में आया ट्रिम कमांड का पर्पस क्या है? ट्रिम सिंपल लैंग्वेज में कट करना है, कैची करते हैं अपन यूज. वही रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है? इंटरसेक्शन चाहिए, दैट्स ऑल. सिंपल टर्म्स में मैंने वो उसका कंक्लूड किया, दैट इज द ट्रिम कमांड. ओके, जैसे कि इस असाइनमेंट में देखो अभी ट्रिम का यूसेज है, तो लेट्स सी हाउ टू डू इट. REC rectangle. Okay, then we have to go for chamfer, CHA chamfer. Okay, distance कितना था? 10 था. Do you remember guys? Okay, after that specify the corner point, उसका length था 40 mm और ये था, sorry, dimensions अपन ने दिया नहीं है ना. REC rectangle. Okay, so CHA chamfer, specify the distance 10. Okay, then specify the first corner point, then D for dimensions. Dimensions में length कितना था? 40 था. Okay, and width कितना था? 55 था. Enter. Now next step क्या करना है अभी आपको? यहाँ पे 10 mm नीचे आके 5 mm जाना है और फिर से 15 mm जाना है. ठीक है, so in this way we'll go for L for line. Okay, so we'll come down like this. Okay, that is how much to come? 10 mm. Okay, then go for here 5 mm. Okay, again 15 mm, enter, and in this way you are getting it. Then go for TR, enter, just. Okay, ये मिल गया. भी इसी असाइनमेंट में आपको सिखाती हूँ. नाउ इट्स टाइम टू लर्न द मिरर कमांड एज वेल. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे मैं मिरर कमांड आपको सिखा सकती हूँ. देखो चलो कैसे हो सकता है वो. MI फॉर मिरर. ओके, सिलेक्ट द ऑब्जेक्ट. देखो मैं कौन सा यूज अभी समझ में आया. लेफ्ट हैंड विंडो सिलेक्शन, दैट इज स्पेसिफिक सिलेक्शन का एप्लीकेशन हो गया यहाँ पे. ठीक है, इसको सिलेक्ट किया मैंने. फिर वो क्या करता है, सिलेक्ट करने के बाद आपको क्या करना है, प्रेस द एंटर. फिर वो क्या पूछता है, स्पेसिफाई द फर्स्ट पॉइंट ऑफ मिरर लाइन. मतलब आपको कुछ तो इन बिटवीन सिलेक्शन करना पड़ेगा ना, ऐसे कि तो आपको एंड रिजल्ट आपको ऐसा मिल जाए. किस तरफ आपको चाहिए, वर्टिकली चाहिए क्या हॉरिजेंटली चाहिए. ओके, सो देन इरेज सोर्स ऑब्जेक्ट. ठीक है, इरेज सोर्स ऑब्जेक्ट और बाय डिफॉल्ट एन सिलेक्टेड. इसका मतलब क्या है, इरेज सोर्स ऑब्जेक्ट मतलब क्या, आपका सोर्स जो सिलेक्टेड है ना वो सोर्स है. ठीक है, उसको जस्ट मैंने एंटर किया. मतलब क्या, जो प्रीवियस ओरिजिनल जो है वैसे के वैसे. देखो फिर से मैं अगर यस बोलती हूँ तो क्या रिजल्ट दिखता है. एम आई फॉर मिरर, सिलेक्ट द ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, राइट क्लिक या फिर एंटर, दोनों में से कुछ भी यूज कर सकता है. स्पेसिफाई द मिरर पॉइंट एंड इफ यू से यस तो सोर्स ऑब्जेक्ट निकल जाएगा. बट अपने को तो सोर्स ऑब्जेक्ट चाहिए ना, अपने को तो जस्ट उसका रिफ्लेक्शन चाहिए. इसीलिए वहां पे बाय डिफॉल्ट एन सिलेक्टेड किया रहता है. ओके, तो सोर्स ऑब्जेक्ट वी ऑलवेज नीड इट. ओके, एम आई फॉर मिरर, select object, right click, specify the first point of mirror line. Okay, erase the source object, enter. Now what you will do over here, that is tr, enter, enter. Okay, okay, are you getting it? Z enter, A enter. Okay, is there any doubt in a mirror command? Yes, we can send you the assignments done today so that you can practice it. No issues. I'll send the group, whatever the WhatsApp group has done. Okay, so you can have it. No issues. Okay, definitely you will get it. Okay, so mirror command is not getting. Once again, I have to repeat it. Yes, Kiran, Saili, just type in the chat box ki mirror command you want me to repeat. No doubt. Okay. So everything is cleared in today's session. Okay. So let us revise today's session, whatever we have learned. What we have learned today the rectangle command. Okay. In rectangle command, we have learned about the chamfered rectangle command, filleted rectangle command. Yes. Okay. So what we have to do for chamfered rectangle, guys, just type in chat box whatever you are have learned in this session. So let us recollect it. Okay. What you have learned chamfered rectangle में आपको input देना पड़ता है initially. फिलेटेड में फिलेट देना पड़ता है. ओके, आफ्टर दैट वी हैव लर्न सर्कल, इट्स टाइप्स में उसके एप्लीकेशन सीखे आपने कि आर्क्स का यूसेज कहाँ पे करना है, टेंजेंट रेडियस का यूसेज कहाँ पे करना है. ओके, टेंजेंट कहाँ पे करना है वो अपन ने देखा है. ओके, आफ्टर दैट व्हाट वी हैव लर्न नेक्स्ट, आर्क दैट इज स्टार्ट टू एंड रेडियस सीखा और अप्लाई किया एक असाइनमेंट में. ओके, आफ्टर दैट अपन ने सीखा ऑफसेट कमांड. व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ ऑफसेट कमांड? यस, कैन एनीबडी आंसर मी इन द चैट बॉक्स? पर्पस ऑफ ऑफसेट कमांड. यस गाइज, आंसर मी, पर्पस ऑफ ऑफसेट कमांड. सी, पर्पस क्या है, तो पैरेलल कोई चीज बनाना है तो उसके लिए अपन ऑफसेट करते हैं. यस, पैरेलल लाइन थ्रू अ डिस्टेंस. यस, मॉडिफाइड नहीं बोल सकते हैं, पैरेलल लाइन थ्रू अ डिस्टेंस. ओके, पैरेलल थ्रू डिस्टेंस. ओके, ठीक है, टू गेट पैरेलल लाइंस एज वेल. यस साइली, वेरी करेक्ट. ओके, नाउ Omkar has also correct and he has given the correct answer. Even the Kiran has given me the correct answer. Okay. Next step is what we learned about the fillet. What is the fillet and what is the why fillet? Okay, how already you have learned in AutoCAD. Okay, so what and why का answer मुझे चाहिए. What is fillet and why fillet? Yes, can anybody answer? या फिर why to give the fillets? Yes, technical answers, क्योंकि आपका technical चीजें भी strong होना जरूरी है. With the tool you should be technically sound as well. Okay, just software नहीं सीखना अपने को ज़्यादा. We have to become a very good in all everything. Yes, to reduce the stress concentrations. Yes, very good, Kiran has answered very accurate. So during interviews also you have to answer very precisely. So we can, in meanwhile, while learning the softwares, you will be trained for interviews as well. So don't worry about that as well. So technically answer he has given us, that is to reduce the stress concentration. अच्छा चलो, what is the fillet? Fillet क्या है?